किते चलिए मूड बना के किते चलिए तू. What's up guys, always here with another brand new video. Today we're going to be unboxing the all new iPad Pro. I have the bigger one and a little one. And this one is the 11-inch iPad Pro. They're both 64GB Wi-Fi model and both are in silver. These are actually the sizes of the iPads on the box. I'm going to open the small brother first and then move on to the big brother later. This has got a really clean look. There's a small tab, so let's just pull that, shall we? I'm going to lift this up. Wow. I've not unboxed an iPad for so long. This just looks amazing. Before we unwrap this, let's check the accessories out. Let's put this to one side. You have the usual user guide, terms and condition, and of course the Apple stickers. Unfortunately, they're not silver stickers. A tiny 18-watt USB-C power adapter. Come on, Apple. But finally, we get a USB-C charge cable. Can't wait for the iPhone to get it. Alright, let's strip this bad boy. Wow, it's so light and so thin. This feels absolutely incredible. We have the new smart connector at the back and of course the all new camera and the antenna line. Time to unbox the big brother. I'm going to leave the 11-inch there for comparison and crack this open. Quickly check the content. You get the usual user guide and the Apple sticker, the same 18-watt charger and the same USB cable. This thing is incredible. There's a big size difference between the two iPads. The 11-inch has a resolution of 2388 by 1688 and the 12.9-inch has a resolution of 2732 by 2048, but both the displays have 264 pixels per inch. I'm going to power these up, hopefully they're charged. So these are the new liquid retina display, in other words LCD screens, the same screen as the iPhone XR. It has ProMotion technology, True Tone, and it is a fully laminated display. A lot of you out there probably thinking no OLED display for something that costs as much as this. And to be honest, the display doesn't look bad at all. It's crystal clear and the text looks sharp, though it isn't truly edge-to-edge display. At the back, you have the new smart connector with the rear camera, flash and a microphone. Apple says this is an all-new 12 megapixel camera with 1.8 aperture, has smart HDR for photos, records 4K video at 30 or 60 frames per second, and has a cinematic stabilization. But that's not all. This iPad also has Face ID, A12X Bionic chip, neural engine, embedded M12 coprocessor, TrueDepth camera, portrait mode, portrait lighting, Animoji, Memoji, 4-speaker audio, Siri, and it's also rated IP68, and there's so much more. And of course, Apple is transitioning to USB-C. The benefits of moving to USB-C are endless, and I'm definitely looking forward to this move. This is definitely a game changer and is one of the best tablets on the market, as powerful as some of Apple's very own Macs. Make sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one.